Okay, anyway, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fine, feeling well, and I hope that all of you are going through your monthly tests and exams in quite efficient way. And I hope that you are well aware about the test schedule of computer science. Do you know what is the date of computer science test? Yes, I had attached the second assessment schedule in your Google Classroom. What is the date for computer science paper? Yes, can anyone tell me? Don't say that you
Nice.
no, no, you should know about it. See over here. See over here. Is this written over here? This is the schedule. This is yes, who will tell me about it? This is 9th of September. Okay, 9th of September.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Salam. Keep yourself muted, please. Students, keep yourself muted. Okay. Also now keep your cameras off because we are going to have uh, the chapter that we are doing, because this chapter is included in your paper. This chapter is included that I am going to finish inshallah today, because I had explained all the things last time and I had given you. So 9th of September is the date on which you are going to have your computer science monthly test, second monthly assessment. And see over there that today it is Thursday, and the next Thursday, coming Thursday, will be 9th. You have got 1 week to appear for this test. Students, this point is clear or not? On Thursday, the next Thursday,
Yes, sir.
you are going to have your exam, your test. Okay, last time I had given you these codes as well, how to uh, apply borders on table, how to take data inside the table, and I had explained you these all options, and I had shown you these all options, and I also gave you these codings as well. Border spacing, I explained you border spacing, tables with inside lines, okay, without inside lines. All these things last time I had provided to you. Okay, I hope that you would have done some practice of it. Have you done this? Have you done the practice for this chapter or not? These are the codings that I had given to you last time. Okay, what we are going to do today, we are going to extend our chapter, and let me open over here the chapter number 4. This was the chapter that we were doing, and I had explained you all these options, how to take table, what are the different tags which are used by making the table, and how to apply this border, okay, and table data, table raw, table header, all these options, cell padding and cell spacing, I had explained last time. Okay, and I had explained you this type of codings, that how to take table tag first, and inside the table tag what will be there when you are taking the table header, what will be there when you are taking the table data inside the table raws, because whenever you create a new raw, you take table raw, inside that raw you are going to take the data. Now today's lesson is about the, today's lesson is basically about the table, where we are going to take images inside the table instead of what, instead of data. We are going to take images instead of data. How this is possible, how it could be possible, what is the way to do so. So I am going to share over here this coding that I have done over here for you. In order to save the time, I am going to show you this coding. Okay, students. Okay, in order to save the time, I'm going to provide you these, images as well. We will need the images as well, and we are going to type the code as well over here. So what I am going to do, I'm going to take this code, and I'm going to run it, and I'm going to explain this code in detail, how to take images. In order to save the time, I'm going to take these images as well. These are the images that I am going to download over here. Okay, and it will be opened in the new window, then it will be downloaded. Okay, these are the some images that we have taken. Okay, because in this program you need to have these all images that we are going to use over there, and all the images that we are using, we must know their names. Why? Because we are going to call these images in our table, inside the cells of our tables. Okay, so I have taken these all images that I am going to use over here. Anyway, we go to the downloads. All the images are already downloaded. Okay, these are the images: papaya, melon. Okay, these are the images: banana that we have taken, cherry. Anyway, I think these are enough for our working apple. I cut them from here. I bring it and I'm going to put it in my folder where I am going to create my file. So I'm going to put all these fruits over here. Okay, keep in mind that what are the spellings, because we are going to use the same spellings in our work. Now come to the coding. What is the coding that we are going to do? We know very well that doc type, HTML doc type will be started in this way. Header is there. And in this style, we had mentioned about that we are going to use it table header and table data, where we will be using 2 point solid green outline and padding. You know, cell padding means the distance from the content of the cell to the outline of the cell. That is called cell padding. Cell padding we have taken 10 pixel. We can make changes over there. If you want to make it 5 pixel, it's up to you. Then table border, we are going to make 4 pixel table border, which will be solid blue color, and border spacing will be 5 pixel. You know, border spacing means the distance between the lines of the cells and the border of the table, overall table. Then what we have done, after see that we have given one heading. H2 is used for putting the heading H1, H2, H3. I have put one heading over here, fruits. Fruit is the heading that I have given over here. Then I have written one line. This is basically a paragraph. I have written inserting pictures inside the cells of the table. This is the line that I'm printing. Then what would be the breadth of the table? I have taken 100%. Last time I had already explained this thing to you. If you will take 50%, so the table size will be reduced. It will come to the mid of the page and it will be 50%. If you will make it 75% or 80%, so it will be showing you the result accordingly. I have taken over here 100%. Now, first table row. In the first table row, I have given the headings, table header. See over here, what I have mentioned, TH, table header. Table header means it will be fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3. We are going to give the heading over there, because if you go to the book, you see that whether they have used the heading. No, they have just given the fruit. But I have given over here fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3 in this way. Then in the first row, I have taken the apple, melon, and cherry. In the second row, I have taken watermelon, orange, and papaya. Okay, in the second row. So I have taken 6 fruits pictures over there, 6 fruit pictures. And after each fruit picture in the table data, see over here what we have done in the table data. After each fruit picture, we have given one heading as well. One title is there that we have given. Apple will be written with the image of the apple. Melon will be written with the image of the melon. Cherry will be written with the image of the cherry. Similarly, in case of watermelon, there will be written watermelon. In case of orange, there would be written orange. In case of papaya, there would be written papaya. Keep in mind that all the file names should be accordingly. Otherwise, the name should be different and the image should be different. I have taken the same names. You can see over here in my folder. You can see over here apple, banana, cherry, melon, orange, papaya. I think watermelon is not there. So if we are going to use it, so maybe possible that it is there in the given downloads, my downloads where I have downloaded it. Watermelon was also there. Anyway, if it is not there, so we can take any image of the watermelon as well. This is watermelon. Yes, I had downloaded, but I forgot to copy it, cut it from that folder. Anyway, so I have pasted it over here. Now we see that what happens. How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures are there that we are going to use in our work. Now see that first we have taken these 3 pictures, and in the second row, this is the second row. In the second row, we have taken these 3 pictures, and then we have written that this is basically the file where we are going to apply. If you don't write even this line, so it does not matter at all. We are going to save this file with which name? We are going to save this file with the name of images inside table. Images inside tables.html. Okay, now I have saved this file. How I'm going to run this file? Keep in mind that the file is there in the same folder. See over here, images inside the tables. Now we double click on it and we see that what is the output. See the output. Output is showing you right or not. Apple, melon, cherry, watermelon, orange, papaya. All these headings we have written over there. We have written these titles over here. That's why these are visible. Spellings are correct. If I make some mistake in the spelling, see, apples, I have done some mistake now. Save it and go there and run it. So you will be seeing that apple is not visible. Why? Because it is unable to find the file. I have written over there apples, and the name of the file in my folder given over there is basically apple. So that's why the spelling mistake is there with the file name. Although the file type is same, the image is same, extension is .jpeg, it is also same, but the file name is not correct. So over there, the output is not visible. If I go there and I make this spelling correct, and if I go and run, then you will be able to see that the output is correct now. Okay, I have not saved, I think. Yes, I have done the spelling correction. Save, go to the Google Chrome, refresh it, Apple will be visible. Students, this point is clear how to insert images. Students, how to insert image inside the table. Students, have you got this coding? If you need to ask anything from this coding, please ask me right now. Please ask me. Now see the output that there is a difference between the cells. This is the distance between the cells. There is a distance between the object and the outline of the cell. This is basically the cell padding. Okay, we have mentioned over here cell padding 10 pixels, and border spacing we have taken 5 pixels. Okay, so this is accordingly. Similarly, we have taken the width of the table, which is 100%. If you will make it, let's suppose 50%, so table size will be reduced. Okay, if I make it 50% and I go and refresh this, now see that the table is not coming in the whole page, it is coming to the half page. So if we are going to take 100%, so we are going to apply our table on 100% page. Students, this point is clear. Students, give me thumbs up sign to know that you are very much clear about it. You will be able to write the program code if it comes in your paper. Chapter 4 is included, keep in mind. Yes, students, what about the rest of the students? Why they are not giving the feedback to me? Yes, students, this point is clear. Come to the next point. Next point in the chapter. Next point. So this thing I have already explained you with practical example, and I have explained you this complete code over here. This complete code I have explained you. Students, this point is clear. Okay. Similarly, you can create any type of table quite easily. What is meant by linking? Now see, whenever you open one website, you know that there are links given over there. You know very well. When we go and if I search that universities in Pakistan, so you know very well that the links which are going to come, so you are going to click on those links. This is basically the link when your cursor is going to be converted into hand sign. This is the hyperlink. On each And every website, for example, this is the website of the HEC. If you will go there, we will see that there are different universities available. We go to any site and we able to see that there are different options on which there is link given over there. So we can click on that link, another page will be opened. So how these links are created? How these links are created? And you will see that when you Google the topics and you click some topic, so it becomes, in purple color. By default, it was blue, but when I will click on it, it will become in purple color. Purple color is showing that you have already visited this link. Purple color is going to show you that you have visited this link. When I am bringing my mouse cursor, there is an underline. When I'm bringing my mouse cursor, there is a change in my mouse cursor. Mouse cursor is arrow sign, but when I bring it over here, it becomes hand sign. So hyperlinks or simply links are the most important part of the World Wide Web. Links, okay, these are the most important part, because using these links, the World Wide Web pages are connected together. These are linked together. Students, this point is clear. So how many types of links are there? Internal links, local links, and global links. Internal link will be there when we are linking a point on the same page. On the same page means that I am at the top of the page and some data is there on the same page at the bottom. So if I'll click over there on that link, so we'll go to the bottom, means inside the same page. We will make this one as well. Local link, which is there on the same website, means, see over here in this example, if I click over there on the ranking on the same web page, I will go to another option. Okay, I will go to another page, but this page will be of the same website. This page will be of the same website. This type of link, which is there of the same website, but page is different, but for the same website. Page is different. For example, if I click over here on events, okay, so another page will appear. Another page will appear, but keep in mind this page will be different, but it page will be from the same website. So in this situation, when the page is from the same website, but page is different, but page is from the same website, this is called local link. But if you are moving to another website, this is called global link. Getting this point or not? Internal link on the same page, local link in the same website, page is different, but for the same website, another page for the same website. Global link, that will be the link which will be basically used to go to any other website. Okay, for example, over here right now I am available over here, but maybe possible if we go click on the Google blogs, website blogs, so maybe possible we can go to any other website. Okay, sometimes such kind of links are there which are leading you. For example, if I'm there on HEC site right now, if I click over there on Aga Khan University, so you see that this address will be changed. Okay, it will be moved when we will go to this site, because it is another site, another website. This type of link is called global link. Students, this point is clear. Whenever we are making links, so we need to use this anchor tag. It starts from a href. Okay, anchor tag is there that we are going to use, and we are going to mention a href. File name will be .html if it is an other file. If it is an other file, so we will mention the name of the file, and then we are going to connect that file, whatever the text is. Okay, so there would be text. When we'll click on it on next page, so we will move to file name.html. We will move to the next page, any other page. We can create n number of links in our document. We can create as many number of links in our document as we want. Okay, so what happens that when we are using the links, there are some color schemes available that we are going to use. What are the different colors? See over here, these are very important. HTML code above specifies four colors. Four colors are there that they are going to specify, but we can take any of the color. A link, normal link, if you are using normal link, if you are using a visited link, if you are using a hover or active. What does it mean? These are the four types. Let me show you by coding, then the whole scenario will be clear to all of you. by going through the coding, all these things will be clear to all of you. Okay. What is meant by link? See this program code that I'm going to share with you. This program code. This is the file that I'm going to share with you inshallah today in your Google Classroom so that you can do practice at home. See this code I'm going to share with you. Open with Notepad because I want to show you the coding. See over here. See over here. What we are doing over here, we are saying that we are going to create the links in our document. So we are mentioning about some things. There will be a link. Normally, link will be there in the blue color. Means the link will be there in the blue color. Okay. When someone will visit the link, the color will be converted to green. Now note it down that what does it mean? What are these points? These points are very important for us to understand. See that what we are saying over here. We are saying that there would be a link with the name of by default it will be in blue color. When someone will click it, will visit it, it will become in green color. Okay, visited link. What does it mean? What is meant by hover? When someone will bring the mouse cursor on it, he has not clicked it. He has not clicked it, but he has brought the mouse cursor on it. It will be converted to red color. It will be converted to red color. Hover means when you are bringing the mouse over. When you are bringing the mouse over, it is basically called hover. Then, if some link is there, which is basically the active link, okay, so it will be basically in yellow color. What does it mean? All these phenomena are given over here. Link will be by default color, whatever you want to give, it's up to you. You want to give blue, green, red, whatever you want to give. Then visited link, what is the color that you want to give when the link has been already visited, has been clicked by some people. Then active link, the color of the link when it is clicked, when you are pressing mouse. See over here, just like we go to any website, when we are pressing mouse, so then color is going to be changed. At that time, it is called basically the active link. At that time, when you are pressing mouse but you have not clicked, you are pressing the mouse. Okay, you have not clicked it still, but you are pressing the mouse. This is called active link when you click it, and after clicking it will become visited link after clicking. Okay, when you bring the mouse cursor on it, when you bring the mouse cursor on it, the color of the link will be changed. Okay, this is called mouse over. Students, this point is clear. Will you please give me the feedback about it or not? Will you give me the feedback?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, I am not only explaining you theoretically, I am going to show you this code. See this code. What we are doing over here, I have created one link on which I have applied this style. See this style, what we have mentioned. The link will be there in blue color. Okay, when I will bring my mouse cursor on it, it will be converted to red color. When I will press my mouse cursor, it will be converted to yellow color. When I will release my mouse cursor, then you will see that it has become the visited link and its color has been converted to green. Students, have you got this point? So what coding I have done over here, I have written one
Yes,
heading,
sir.
HTML links. I have given one heading over there in the body section, HTML link. And what I am doing, paragraph A href is equals to A for anchor, okay, A href reference, okay, we are giving over here. HTTP google.com. I am linking the google.com. Search on the net. Search on the net is the text that I am going to use. Search on the net is the text that I'm going to use. And then when I will click on the search on the net, we will go to Google. But before clicking, you have to keenly observe that what is going to happen. You have to see this thing. Okay. File extension is already, you can see over there that this is basically an HTML file. Fine. So I'm going to save this file. I'm going to run this file now. There is the file. I double click on it. It will be opened in. It will be opened in which uh, uh, software, which is basically the Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Now you can see over here, it is showing you in green color. But what we are saying that by default, it should be, it is showing that it has been visited. It is showing me that it has been visited. But we have written that after visiting, because I had clicked this file. After visiting, it will show me in green color. Okay. So let me close this file and let me open this file once again in Internet Explorer. Let me check it over there. Yes, now it is showing me because I had clicked in the Google Chrome. So now it is showing me in blue color. By default, it is in blue color. See students, when its color will be changed, I will click, its color will be changed and then it will not be visible in blue. See over there. When I have opened the file, it is in blue color. When I will bring my mouse cursor, see over there, see over there. When I bring my mouse cursor on it, it converts to red. I have removed the mouse cursor. When I am bringing the mouse cursor on it, it is converting to red. This is the point we have written over here. Sorry, not this code. Where is the code? Here is my code that I am discussing right now. When I bring the mouse cursor on it, it is converting to red or not? Students, give me the feedback actively. It is converting its color to red. When I will press my mouse cursor, it will become active link and its color will be changed to yellow. When I keep it pressed, see students, I have pressed the mouse cursor. I have pressed the mouse cursor. Its color is going to be changed in yellow or not? Okay, I bring my mouse cursor back. When I keep it pressed, then the color will be yellow. Okay, when I bring the mouse cursor on it, the color is red. And by default, the color is blue. Students, this point is clear or not? Students, will you please give me feedback? When I click on it, I will move to the google.com. If I click on the back button, now its color has been converted to green. Students, this point is clear now. All 4 points are clear to you now or not? Will you please give me feedback by thumbs up sign? Students, I need your feedback. So what I am going to give you today, this is the lesson for today. I'm going to reuse this post. Today it is 2nd September. And chapter 1, list and images in HTML. What we have covered today. Chapter 3, study how to insert image. Sorry, chapter 4, what we have done. We have done how to insert images inside the table. This thing we have seen, types of links. Hyperlinks. Types of hyperlinks we have seen. Okay, hash. Okay. So linking, we have done internal, local, global. So anchor tag, we have studied about the anchor tag. Anchor tag, and we have done these colors of the links, defining colors for links. Defining colors for links. These all things we have done. So what is the data that I'm going to give you today? I'm going to give you all these images that I used in my table. I have got these images, all these 6 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that you can download it and you can use it quite easily. What else I can do for you? I'm providing you all the material. Whatever we have done practically, I'm giving you that material as well. These images I am giving you so that it will be quite convenient for you. And at the same time, I'm going to give you these files, images inside table, and linking we have also done. So I'm giving you this file as well, linking with the colors we have applied. So I'm giving you these codings as well, .html file that you can open directly. You can view the code, and you can also run it by opening in Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Okay, students. So this data is now given to you. Okay, fine. Now come towards the next point. Defining colors is clear to you or not? Defining color. Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much that this point is clear. Let me take the attendance for today. Today is 2nd September. Okay, students, come to the next point. We have seen the link, which is global link. This link that I created, what type of link it is? It is global link, because when I'm clicking on it, I'm going to another website. When I'm clicking on it, I'm going to another website. That's why this is a global link. So global link is also covered over here. This point is covered over here. Now come to the links which are inside the same page, on the same page. Okay, so what kind of link is this? That is called basically, I have already showed you. This is called basically the internal link, which is on the inside, on the same page. You know, if you are clicking at the top and you are going to the bottom, let's suppose. Local link will be for the same website, but the page will be different. Okay. Now we have to see this thing as well, and we have to see all these properties which are given over here. We can give color green, text decoration none. If you want to apply the text decoration, so text changes you can apply. Okay, you can apply the text changes as well over there in the style when you are doing something. Okay, so let me take another example over here. This one, quiz, and this one is basically the quiz and the answers. This is with the name of quiz and the answers. We are going to make two files over here. Although our class time is less, but let me show you this example over here. This is with the name of quiz. Okay. Now, another file is there with the name of answers, because one file will be linked with the other file that we are going to do over here in this case. Okay, let me open the notepad. Answers. Okay, we have made these two files. This example is basically given on your in your book. They have taken the example of quiz and answers, you know, quiz and answers. So these are the two pages which will be linked together, you know, in the same folder. They are there on the same website. This is the website folder, chapter 4 we are talking about right now, chapter 4. So we have taken this folder as a website where we have got two tables, two pages linked with each other. One is quiz and one is answers. When I double click on it, quiz, you know that this is the question. When I will click on the answers, you know, then answer will come. When I will click on the answer, then another website will be open, another page will be open. And what will be that page? That page will be this page, basically this page. Which page? Where is the answer? This one, it is answer. So it will be open that this is the answer. Okay, right answer. So questions are written over here, the answers are written on another page. So we can link these files together quite easily. We can give link of these files quite easily. Students, I hope that this point is clear to all of you. If you've got any questions up to here, I will explain you this thing inshallah in next class as well, because we have got less time in our class. So I would like to explain you this thing. If you have got any question, students, please ask me right now. Yes, students.
No, sir.
Nothing is there. All points are clear. All data I have provided to you. Okay, this thing I am going to provide you in the inshallah in the next class that we are going to do, which is about the connecting two different websites. But keep in mind that the question and answers will come from this chapter. Keep in mind. Okay, in your exam. Fine, this thing is clear. If you have got anything like
Yes, sir.
anything would you like to ask, just ask me right now. Where is the Google search? The file I have downloaded. Uh, check that you are able to see this data that I have given to you. This is the data for which you have to do the practice. We have done up to here. Okay, from this point we will start. Okay, from this point we are going to start, inshallah, in our next class. Okay, I will also give the question and answers for this chapter, inshallah. So you will be able to see the question and answers for this chapter. Okay, students, thank you so much, all of you.